Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing the 12 Days of Beauty LA Colors Advent Calendar from Big Lots. So this did retail for $11.99 at Big Lots. We do get 12 days to open here, so if you want to see what I got in my little Advent calendar from LA Colors, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So we actually did do the same video last year, so if you want to watch that, that's going to be linked down below. I'm going to try to remember what I got in that advent calendar. We'll see. Hopefully it's not the same products in here. So let's just get started with number one. All right, so there is door number one. It looks like a lipstick. So the first product is a lipstick. Now that I'm thinking about it, we did get a couple lipsticks in last year's advent calendar, so I hope it's not the same colors, but this one here is in no specific name, but it looks like a red color. So let's give it a swatch. There's a look at that. Very Christmassy, I'd say. And LA Colors has really good lipstick formula, so I'm not too mad about it. There's a look at that. It is more of a like orange based red. Really pretty. All right, so now we have day number two, which is right underneath. All right, so it seems to be little gem stickers, I believe, for like your nails or even your face, but I think these are like little nail stickers, which I'm kind of like meh about. Number three is right here. It is a long one, so let's see. I'm sure it's like an eyeliner or something. Oh, how cute. So it's a little baby lip liner. I think that's adorable. I don't think we got a lip liner last year. This is a really pretty color. I don't like that the products that come in their little advent calendars don't have specific names to them. I think it's super easy, just like mocha or something would be cute, but oh, this lip liner is really pretty. There's a look at that lip liner. So far, so good. Number four is right here, and it's a long one as well. So it's probably like an eyeliner, or I don't know. Let's see. So day number four is a liner. So this is a full size eyeliner, which is really nice. I do remember getting eyeliner last year from this advent calendar, and it looks like that. So it's really nice and black. And it is a pencil liner. Look at that. That's really nice. And I love that it's full size. Day number five is actually kind of small. So let's see what is in there. Yay. All right. So this one I am pretty excited about. It is a little lip balm. So this is their lip balm in vanilla. And how adorable is that packaging? This is definitely the one that I'm like the most excited about because I love lip balms. And this is so cute. So let's give it a smell. And it is light pink on the inside as well. It smells like vanilla. It smells so good. Love this. So going on to day number six, it is at the top, and then day seven is like right under. Ooh, so I think this is like an eyeshadow palette maybe. This is so adorable. So it's a cute little scrunchie. This is so cute, and it is pink, and it is pretty. It has like an elastic inside as well. This is so adorable as well. Love this as well, and I love that it's pink just like the lip balm. So day seven, we have a loose eyeshadow. Now we did get this last year as well. Same packaging. It looks like the ones that you get on Shop Missy, the ones that kind of suck. So I'm not like super excited about this, but it is a shimmer shade, I think. That's how it looks. And this is just their loose eyeshadow. So this one I'm kind of like whatever about, but the color is actually really nice. Number eight is in the middle right here, and it's pretty big. So I'm thinking it's like eyeshadow or something. That's what I thought about the scrunchie, but this is so cute. So that's what was behind door number eight. So you do get this little sponge applicator, which I'm not going to use, but I'm really excited about the little eyeshadow circle thing. It's a little trio, which looks like that. I think this is so adorable. I love the LA Colors eyeshadow formula. I think they do such a great job with it, and I love the fact that they added something different. You don't really see these kind of circle trios a lot from LA Colors. I love it. So cute. So I'm so excited about this product. And again, it doesn't have a specific name to it. It just says eyeshadow on the back. And again, I'm just going to get rid of this. I don't really use these, but I'm so excited about this. Why don't we give it a swatch now that we're here? It's only three shadows. So there is a middle shade, which I'm the most excited about. Then we have the pink color and the brown. They look so beautiful. They're like really stepping it up, because these products, I don't remember them being in last year's advent calendar. They added a blush, and you guys know how I feel about blush if you guys have been on my channel before. I love a good blush. So they added this kind of orangey everyday kind of blush, which I think goes so perfect with the little eyeshadow palette. And again, no specific name to it, but it's so beautiful. It looks like there's a little bit of shimmer in there, but it could be an overspray. I am gonna swatch it right now, but look at that color. It's so beautiful. They definitely stepped it up this time around, and they added different products. So there is that shade there. Give it a swatch. It is like a light orange kind of vibe. There's a look at the blush. I'm so excited about it. I'm telling you, they're like really stepping it up. They added a lip gloss in here. I think we did get a couple of lip glosses last year, but this time around we only got one from what I saw. We still have a couple numbers to go, but this is so cute, and it is a pinky kind of lip gloss. It's so adorable. I'm loving the pink kind of theme. It goes with the box, and I really like these little lip glosses from LA Colors. They're just cute little moment, and they do sell these types of lip gloss at Dollar Tree. So there's a look at that gloss. It's so cute. It is like a metallic kind of vibe, which is adorable. Love this. Moving on to the last two. They're at the bottom of the box. They're so fun. I love advent calendars. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was another lip gloss, but it's actually a lip oil. So this is very trendy right now. You guys know a lot of brands are coming out with lip oils at the moment. So they added a lip oil in this advent calendar. So this is just their pinky lip oil, and I'm sure it's just like a clear kind of vibe. It's so cute. You guys know how much I love my lip oils and lip balms, so I'm so excited, and I love the fact that it's pink. Moving on to the last day of this advent calendar. I don't know why it's so small. I don't know if you guys see it. It's like right here, but let's take a look and see what this is. I think it's a nail polish. Yep. Oh, we did get a nail polish last year as well in a similar kind of color, but I love pink nail polish, so I'm okay with it. But we did get a nail polish in here, and it is a pinky kind of vibe. I'm super excited about it because I love LA Colors nail polishes as well, and this color is beautiful. So let's take a look at everything that we got in this advent calendar, and that's how it looks all destroyed. It was definitely worth it, let me tell you that. So let's talk about lip products. We got one lip balm, we got one lipstick, we got one lip oil, and we got a lip gloss, all kind of pinky kind of vibes. We got a lip liner and eyeliner in full size. I'm not too excited about these little stickers, but I'll definitely get use out of them. We got the loose pigment. I'm loving this box. We also got a blush and eyeshadow trio, a nail polish, and a little scrunchie. I'm definitely telling you, run to Big Lots and pick this up because this is adorable. If you want to gift it to someone for this Christmas season or whatever, and I would be so happy getting this for Christmas. Honestly, these are so cute, and I really love that a lot of them are this pinky kind of color, especially the little scrunchie. So I'm really excited about this advent calendar. Let me know what your favorite product is down below. Are you going to pick it up from your local Big Lots? Let me know in the comments. And we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. If you could follow me, that would be amazing, and it'd be so great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.